Okay, good day everyone. So we are about to discuss the measures of the central tendency for the group data. I am John Ashley Torres, your instructor. So first, let's discuss about the mean. Mean of group data is the process of finding the average of a set of data that are grouped together in different categories. So we have here the formula of the mean for the group data. Bar of x is equals to the summation of fm over n, where bar of x refers to the arithmetic mean, m is the midpoint or class mark, summation of fm is the summation or total of the midpoint multiplied to frequency, and n refers to the number of data. So we have here an example. Given that 60 students completed the lengthy exam in an hour in a classroom setting, it was held there. The scores of the 60 students who scored the lowest on more than 21 out of 50 items are displayed in the frequency distribution table below. Determine the supplied datasets mean, median, and mode. So in this video, we are just solving for the mean, and for the following videos, we are solving for the median and the mode of this problem. So for step 1, we need to compute for the class mark. But first, class mark refers to the precise point in the center of the class in the frequency distribution table. So our formula in finding the class mark is the upper limit plus lower limit all over 2. So in computing the class mark, first, for the first row, we must add the scores of 21, 25, which are upper limit, and 21 is our lower limit in the first row, and we will divide it into 2. So 25 plus 21 is equals to 46 divided into 2 is equals to 23. So our class mark is, for the first row, is 23. So let's solve for the second row. Our second row is 26 to 30. So 26 plus 30, or our upper limit here is 30 and our lower limit is 26. So we will add it. 26 plus 30 is equals to 56, and we will divide it into 2. So our class mark is 28. So if you know the class interval in our frequency distribution table, our class interval here is 5. So if we know our class interval, we must just add the class interval into the first class mark. So 23 plus 5 is equals to 28, and 28 plus 5 is equals to 33, and 33 plus 5 is equals to 38, 38 plus 5 is equals to 43, and 43 plus 5 is equals to 48. For us not to able to solve it manually and individually, so it's for everyone's convenient to know the class interval. So step 2, we need to get the product of f and x. But first, in getting the product, we need to multiply the frequency to the class mark, wherein our formula here is frequency times class mark. So we need to solve for the first row. 9 multiplied to 23 is equals to 207. 11 times 28 is equals to 308. 14 times 33 is equals to 1085 until we reach the last row, which is 46 to 50. 5 times 38 is equals to 190. 13 times 43 is equals to 559, and 8 times 48 is equals to 384. So now, we are about to apply the mean formula. But before applying the mean formula, we need to get the value of n and the summation of fm or fx. So our value of n is 60, which is the summation of all of the data under the frequency. 8 plus 13 plus 5 plus 14 plus 11 plus 9 is equals to 60. And the summation of fx, which is 384 plus 559 plus 190 plus 1085 plus 308 plus 207 is resulted into 2733. So our solution here first, this is the mean formula. So substitute our value of summation of fx or fm is equals to 2733 and our value of n is equals to 60. So 2733 divided by 60 is equals to 45.55. So to conclude, therefore, the mean of the score of 60 students who took the long test is 45.55. So, for the next video, we will be able to solve the median of the problem. So, thank you for watching.